Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your error when you try to install some app and you see message unable to install app or stuck on downloading on installing app. So how you can fix it? So first thing you need to try is just swipe up and just turn on airplane mode and just wait a few seconds and just turn off here again. So if it doesn't help you, you need to go to the settings. So just open the settings, and if you're using Wi-Fi, just go here to Wi-Fi. So just open the Wi-Fi and just check if you have a good internet connection, because sometimes it can be because you have not a good internet connection, or you have no internet. So just check it, and if you're using mobile data, just check here if you turn on mobile data and everything's working. Also you can reconnect it, so just power off and just power on mobile data and just turn on and just go back. So if it doesn't help you, you need to go to the general, and in the general you need to find date and time and just choose here set automatically, and you can also turn off and turn on again. So just check if your time is correct. So just check your time. So if it doesn't help you too, you can also try the latest thing. So just try to restore your phone. So just keep holding a power button until you will see here slide to power off. So just slide to power off. Just wait maybe around 30 seconds, and just after that just check until it will disappear from your screen, and just wait some time and just power on again. So just you can see that we successfully restored our phone. So after it will load your system, so just try. I hope that you won't see this error again. And also the latest thing you can try, just try to check for updates. So just I will show to you. So just open the settings here and just find here general, and in the general you need to find software update and just check here for update. So just wait until it will show to you if you have new updates. Also if you have, you need just to download and install it on your phone. So I hope that it will help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.